In this video, we will show 13 on-page SEO techniques that will help you rank better on search engines. But before we start with the techniques, let's just understand what is on-page SEO and why it is essential. What is on-page SEO? On-page SEO is a method to optimize your web pages to get better rankings on search engines. Some of the well-known on-page SEO practices include URL, internal linking, title, and meta tags optimization. But why is on-page SEO important? On-page SEO is important because search engines understand your website better and help them if this is relevant to a search query. It is not only about adding keywords to content. It has more to do with it. People use the internet to satisfy various personal needs, be it for information or shopping. If your website does not live up to their expectations, you will quickly lose your search ranking on Google. Hence, to rank your content better, you also need to have quality content, good page load time, and search intent. So now that we know why on-page SEO is important, let's get into the on-page SEO techniques. Number 1. Keyword research. Keyword research involves the identification of key terms that customers use while searching on the search engines. It is a key step in achieving unpaid search ranking success in Google SERPs. For conducting keyword research, you can use tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and more. Along with this, make sure you also focus on ranking for long-tail keywords as they are highly specific and less competitive. Also, look into the content already ranking for a particular keyword and aim to write content better than ranking ones. Number 2. Content. Good content is the key attraction for any user. But, unfortunately, even with many SEO elements, average content will not survive in the long run. Hence, high-quality content is one of the essential on-page SEO techniques. But what do we mean by high-quality content? It means your content should be thorough, original, and not copied. In addition, the content should be well-researched, which offers users the relevant information and fulfills users' search intent. Google rewards websites that produce high-quality content with high rankings. Hence, you must create your content strategy to ensure that Google always marks the content on your website as high quality. Number 3. Header tags. These tags are used to define the headings and subheadings in the content of your web page. They are usually in order from H1 to H6. Best practices for writing header tags include: keep the headers relevant to the text. Ensure that the headers are readable for end users. Do not stuff with keywords. Number 4. Title tags. A title tag, also known as an HTML title tag, is the title of a web page. It gives users and search engines a brief idea about the page content. Title tags are around 60 characters long and appear on search engines as the first thing searchers see on the search results page. Title tags play a crucial role in search engine optimization as they make the first impression on users. Number 5. Meta description. Meta descriptions are a follow-up to meta titles. A meta description is a short HTML element that summarizes the contents of your page and your offerings in 1 or 2 sentences. It appears right below the title tag and URL, website link, and gives users a brief gist of the content lying beyond the link. Few best practices are: write unique descriptions, keep it under 160 characters, and include your target keyword. Number 6. Keywords in URL. A lot of people have this question of whether using keywords in URL would help. According to Matt Cutts, who heads Google's web spam team, keywords in the URL do help. They help improve the rankings of your web page in Google search results. It was also witnessed that keywords at the beginning of URL have more impact than at the end of the URL. Hence, never miss a chance to help boost your page ranking by not adding keywords in the URL. Number 7. LSI keywords. LSI keywords stand for latent semantic indexing. They are the keywords or phrases related to the main keyword. However, these are not synonyms, which is a common misconception amongst many people. LSI keywords help enhance the context of the content in your web page for search engines. But why do we use LSI keywords? For a better understanding of the web page and to establish context of the page. Number 8. Keyword cannibalization. One of the most common mistakes a website owner can make is to become its own competitor. For example, if your website has multiple pages that have been ranked for the same keyword, it means that your web pages compete for higher ranks, which is not a good sign for your SEO. And this is called keyword cannibalization. Avoiding keyword cannibalization must be one of the topmost items in your on-page SEO checklist. Competing for the same keyword or phrase can confuse Google's crawlers about the purpose of your web page. This can drive down the ranking of your web pages significantly. Number 9. internal linking. It is a key element of on-page SEO, as it acts as the key determiner of how accessible your web pages are. A well-executed internal linking strategy allows search engines to know about your other web pages and makes it easy for users to access those pages for more information. This way, users can spend more time on your website, which increases the possibility of their conversion. Number 10. Multimedia. There are many readers who prefer in-depth, long-tail content that presents heaps of relevant information on a topic. Whatever your business or brand niche, it is important to include a variety of multimedia in your content, including high-resolution videos and images. This will help you cater to a wide variety of site visitors and keep them engaged. Number 11. Alt tags. Alt tag provides a description or information for the images on your web pages to help search engines determine the image intent. This can help boost your website's ranking too. Moreover, Google Images also indexes images based on their alt tag descriptions. That is why you should use alt tags to increase the organic traffic to your websites. Number 12. Image optimization. Image optimization makes sure that the images integrated on a website do not slow down the page speed. The image should have appropriate tags, optimal file size, and type. Image optimization is important because this helps in providing the correct context of an image to the search engine. The main objective of image optimization is complementing other on-page optimization efforts and help in attaining better ranking for web pages, ensuring the visibility of images in the vertical image search section of Google. Also, suppose the image ranks well in the image search section of Google. In that case, there is a possibility to get organic sessions to your website, which can help in increasing the traffic contribution from organic search. Number 13. Content audit. While creating fresh content is always a priority for websites, it is also essential to ensure that existing content is audited regularly. Therefore, a content audit checklist must be created, including points like keyword intensity, updating the information to the most recent times, evaluating if the content generates organic traffic, etc. That's it from today's video. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the Infidigit YouTube channel. Also, consider following us on other social media platforms for daily SEO content. Thank you.